In this video, I'm going to explain to you how to get from the town of Puerto Iguazu in Argentina to Iguazu Airport in Argentina. Now, there are a couple of things you could do. You could take a taxi. There are taxis that operate from the airport to the town centre and vice versa. But the method that I took was the bus, and the bus is the cheapest method that you can use to do this. What you can do is you can head to the main bus terminal in Puerto Iguazu. You want to search for the Terminal Day Omnibus, which is the main bus station in Puerto Iguazu. So you head down there and you're going to take the Rio Uruguay bus. It's kind of like this green turquoise kind of color bus. You want to go on that bus, you want to book your ticket, you want to make sure it's going to the airport, so ask around for the bus which is going to the airport, and you want to get on that bus and you're going to pay 3,000 Argentinian pesos. Now that could change because inflation is so high in Argentina, which means the prices are always changing for everything in the country, so it may be different when you arrive. But in March 2024 the price was 3,000 for a single ticket, and also you do want to be paying cash as well. It must be 3,000 pesos in cash. You cannot pay by card. And if you want to go in the other direction from the airport into the town of Puerto Iguazu, there is like a bus stand outside the airport. This stand here you can see here. You just wait for the bus. Now, one thing to note, there are no timetables for the buses in Puerto Iguazu, so you just have to ask the people around, wait for the bus, and just wait for it to come. You can't really do much more than that because there are no timetables online or in person when you're there. So if you are in a rush to get to the falls, you may just want to take the taxi instead because the bus may be quite late. So I do hope that this video has been helpful to you. If you do have any questions in the comments, do let me know. And also do go to the description of this video because I do have lots of links to travel products and other products that you may be interested in. For example, the top link there is a link to a side hustle where you can make money online, which can really help you afford your travels. There's links to VPNs, there's links to insurance, flights with Skyscanner, luggage with a level 8 website, so you can buy luggage, suitcases, travel insurance, all of those links in the comment section and in the description too. So go to the comment section, go to the description, see if there are any links there that take your interest. Again, I do hope that you found the video helpful and useful. If you have, do click the like button. It does really help the channel out, and also subscribe for more travel content. So thank you very much for watching. I will see you in my next video.